Hey, it's Aran here. I'm going to show you how to integrate PayPal with new Zenler. So basically what you want to do, you want to click on Site, then you want to click on Integrations. Once you click on Integrations, you will be taken to PayPal. Click on the Connect with PayPal, and now you'll need the e-details on PayPal email, contact, client ID, and the secret key. Now, if you click right here at the moment, unfortunately, the tutorial is actually not there. So what I did a little bit of research, and this is the tutorial, the support document. Now, when I went to log into my account, this was not even, actually, it didn't look the same, so I had to figure out a way to do this. Essentially, what you need to do, you need to create an app, okay? So the way to do it, I'm going to show you. You want to go to developer.paypal.com/developer/applications, okay? So go to that account. You need to have a business PayPal account. Once you're there, click on Live. Now you'll see a whole bunch of apps that I already have. I'm going to click on Add App. I'm going to type in Zenler, just so I know that that's the app. I'm going to create app. Now what is going to happen is I'm going to be provided with the PayPal email, which I copy from the other page, and then I'll be provided with the client ID, which I copy and I paste in. I'm not doing it for security reasons, so people can't see it on my channel. And then the secret key is going to be invisible, and I'm going to need to click on the button called Secret. So you click on the button called Secret, you'll be given the code, and then you'll copy and paste it in here. It's 3 steps. Now I've copy and pasted everything in, and you can see there is the code right here at the top. I'm obviously not showing it clearly. You click on Save, and this will basically make it so it's all connected. Now what is going to happen is when I go to set up a payment for my course, you go to Courses, click on one of your courses, and I'm going to go to Pricing. Now I'm going to set up a one-time purchase, so I've got that set up. I'm just going to add a plan just so you can see it. Add plan, one-time purchase, next, and then I'll make it $50, test 50. I'll just give it a name just for the sake of demonstration. Click on Finish. And now when I go to Pages, you will see the sales page, the checkout page, the thank you page, and the course access page. So I'm going to click on the copy URL, and then click on New Incognito window, paste in the URL, and now when you'll see right here, there'll be 2 options, pay with PayPal or buy with credit card. So this was only visible because I just integrated it, otherwise it was not available before. So that's how you do it, and hopefully you find value in this so you can go and set up your own. I know it can be a little bit tricky to do it on your own. If you feel like you need help and you want me to help you one-on-one to do this integration, I have a very simple service where I do just this one task with you, and for a low one-time fee, where I hop on Zoom and actually do it with you and walk you through the steps. So if you want to do that, the link will be in the description. Happy to do that with you. And that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know, leave a comment, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.